Okay, do you want it all? Long, beautiful waves, hand-tied cap. This might be your new wig. Welcome back in. Today, Jon Renau AURORA in 24BT18S8, also known as Shaded Mocha. Look at this wig. I think Jon Renau has done an amazing job with this new latest launch that they've had. This is absolutely beautiful. Now this is part of their Volume 2 HD collection. I purchased this wig at Wig Studio One. But look, I just want to show you this all the way around. I cannot get over what a beautiful style this is. I love these waves. Certain things about this, I think they just hit a home run with. First of all, the curl pattern. This looks like you just have such healthy, beautiful, wavy hair. And it's great. They have it to where it kind of goes off. You see how it fares back, curled back off the face. This is out of the box. So it comes just like this. These waves are already gone, directed away from your face, which that means you don't have a lot of training to do on this hair. All right, let's just quickly talk about the specs. The bang of this is 8 inches. The sides are 12. The crown comes in at 12.5. It has a 7.5 inch nape and it weighs 5 ounces. Like I said, this is a fully hand-tied cap. There's no wefting in this wig. There's no PERMATEASE in this wig. It fit me a tad large. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference and just a little, but nothing I couldn't take care of with the adjusters. Now, this wig is made, like I said, from HD fibers, heat-defiant fibers. So you're gonna have to add some heat to this at some point. It's longer, it's going to rub on your clothing. You will eventually have to apply some heat to that. Now, Jon Renau recommends 270 to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. One thing about this also I think is so special is they include this care card, and it gives you all the information for every type of wig they make. Synthetic, heat-friendly, human hair. It gives you the care instructions, and they also, for their heat-defiant fiber, have 2 pages here of just how to care for them. And I think this is genius. I love, love, love it. They did that. And also, you know, these wigs all come with a wide tooth comb, and we can't have too many of these. Now, going back to talking about applying heat to this wig, I would probably accomplish that with a steamer myself. Would probably steam the ends of these. I have a lot of videos of how to care for heat-friendly fibers. I would probably apply some steam to this, put this in a hair net like the netting that comes with the wig. I would put it back on the wig after I steamed it, pull it tight to the top to hold these curls up, and leave them like that overnight. That is how I do mine. And if it needs more than that, I would use something like a very small curling iron like this on the ends to smooth them and add that little curl back in. Be sure to hold the curl. You get the hang of it. You'll know what to do. Just hold that curl after you roll it. After you curl it, hold it. Make sure it dries or it won't hold the curl. There are lots of ways to take care of these heat-friendly fibers. Once you get the hang of it, it's a piece of cake. Now, let's talk about this cap. I'm going to insert some video up here of the cap. It is gorgeous. You'll notice it has the fully extended lace front, which comes all the way down here. Mono top. Fully hand-tied. Like I said, there are no wefts. Some of the hand-tied caps, you know, I always pointed out to you that they will have some wefting, which is fine. That holds the shape of the wig. They're usually right here in the back. If it has it, this does not. This is fully hand-tied. This is as natural looking as you're going to get. Now, this comes parted in the middle. I left it just like I took it out of the box. But with that large mono feature, you can change the parting easily. Now, you'll have to train it. And you know, there's lots of ways to do that as well. You can apply some steam. A lot of people do that. You know, they have the old trick of saying you can hold it down with some heat from your hands. That's a good little trick. I haven't had that much success with that. I feel like I really have to train it off with some steam. That's just my way. I know some people use a blow dryer. There's tons of ways and many videos of how to do that. But I think it's beautiful if you just change the parting. I like the option. Do I want to wear it down the middle, or would you like to change it and wear it off to the side? All right, let's talk about this color, Shaded Mocha. I've shown it to you so many times. It is described by Jon Reanu as a blend of natural ash blonde, light natural gold blonde, shaded with a medium brown root. And that is, I feel like, a good color description of this. Look how natural that looks, coming just like it's growing out of your head. Wow, A+ on this wig. All right, I want to show you this lace front. I think they did such a beautiful job. Let me zoom in and let you get a good close look at it. Now look how beautiful a job they did on this lace front. It absolutely just melts into your forehead. Here is my bow hair, here and here. So it's really nice coverage, but I wanted you to get a good look at what a good job they did on this lace front. You know, there's a lot of ways you could style this. Pull it off your face with a clip, which I have clips in all my purses, everywhere around my house, in my car. I have them everywhere because sometimes I'm busy out running errands, and if I'm wearing something longer like this, I like to just clip it off my face real quick, and I'm happy with that. Let's see about if you could get a low ponytail. I think you probably could. Yes. That's always a nice way too with these longer styles. You can just throw them in a low ponytail. I like that. You might could even put this in a clip. Let's try it. I think you can. I just have one here. I think you could probably do that. Yep. Maybe just pull a few little strands out, let them hang down, and wear that clipped up in the back and down in the front. Wow, that's pretty too. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this look at Jon Renau Aurora in Shaded Mocha. I love Shaded Mocha. I think it's such a wearable shade for so many skin tones. It has a lot of neutral shades in it. I don't think it's overwhelming. It's soft. It's highlighted beautifully. I just don't think you could go wrong. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you've tried this, if you plan on trying it. I want to get your feedback. Have a great day. See you soon.